Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now today, I'm going to do a follow-up video to the Price Johnson story. But it's not the type of video, or not the video, we did intend to drop. This video was supposed to drop from earlier in the week. I have big video line up. Video for drop Wednesday, video for drop Thursday. Then last minute, source link man said the YouTube will hold off until such time. And when such time come, the YouTuber, no bother. So I'm gonna do my own follow-up. Now I'm gonna drop from it's supposed to drop because we have to respect the sources, which is, you know, sometimes people think man so the YouTuber, I mean, I alone know this, you know, so if this come out then it's obviously it come from. It's alright. We have to respect the source. But I'm gonna drop a Price Johnson video. I talk about something I realize with Irie, especially Irie Saxons. Before I go into that, I have to do a Patreon birthday shout out. This was in the original video when we were supposed to plan, because even the 13th, they have all 2 Patreon birthday shout out. People like all Greggy Bantan them and Raquel them supposed to have one the walk one. All them video that forget scrap. So Greggy Bantan and look out for phone shout out. But I'm talking about something I realized with Irie after the Patreon birthday shout out to RJ Sam. Because it's a belated birthday. When I done link him already and show him how I go on. Him say look YouTube and worry yourself, man. I want you. But still I drop it on the channel. That's RJ Sam from the Patreon squad. Fairly new to the Patreon squad. But whether 1 year or 10, still give thanks for the support. RJ Sam, big up yourself. Right. 1 more year on the sun. Wish you many more to come. And that's RJ from the Patreon squad. As him would have say, 1 Patreon fam. Right. Big up. I could talk about something I realized with Irie, especially Irie Saxons. Now that we've confirmed that Price Johnson wasn't attacked because of some random situation where some lunatic was going down the line in a Palm Grove court and a check. Like him a one ticky. So check door till him finally reach fair one and go in. We now know that's unicorn meat. We now know the fighting some of the residents themselves that tell people was unicorn meat. But from your watch, the response from the same residents, them, even the response from Price Johnson mother, only can tell when time people are hide something. But me realize a pattern. Irie Saxons. People are telling me about them Fraid. Yeah, but look YouTuber. Me ask about Palm Grove, people you can't really say that because they must say in the day it's about me Fraid hour. Irie and guy, check this out. We don't want you about no Fraid. You know why we don't want you nothing about no Fraid from the Irie Saxon? Especially Irie Saxon who come from quote unquote bad man place. With a rat bat or a dopey bat. Don't tell me about no Fraid guy. Because we soon stand up in front of a rifle. We've seen little girl stand up in front of the rifle of a JDF soldier. Remember that video there? Never go try to find it back. One little girl, shoulder to shoulder, toe to toe, blow for blow with a JDF soldier. Anytime operation go on, people put themselves in the firing line to protect the kill them. Them risk life and limbs to protect the kill them. But when it comes on to protecting one little girl, suddenly them turn scaredy cat. I'm scared. Guy, gather the courage where you gather. We don't not run out in front of police rifle to protect your favorite gunman. Any way you find that courage, find it. People tell me about your look at you, but even though we know so that one, But you must say in the day who Fraid and you must say the money them going to and the money connecting the money. Fraid guy. Find the courage. Anywhere you find the courage to stand up to the security forces, find it to stand up to Klansman and One Order and Dunstogs and Ratbat. Find it, guy. People are telling me about Price Johnson like them subtly I say they no business because they must say she have man. The country boy can't steal the car, she can't steal the Tracy, she have man here. Have man. Irie Saxon. If having man or taking man at a young age are something will deserve a death sentence, half of Irie Saxon them in a grave right now. None of your favorite mothers and aunties and sisters dead right now. If Price Johnson was alive, we could have scolded her up and all them things. But she's dead, guy. And she died in the most brutal of manner. But this whole heap of acting like Price Johnson somehow forget what she get because you can see this job guy. A Price Johnson who want to put on trial. End of the day, guy, that's a 14-year-old girl. Somehow you must remember where now come from, you know. Enough Iremanians act like them did always have all this sense. And them did always have all these quote-unquote morals and all these values. Guys, if we could go back and look on no found that 14-year-old. No found they already walked the 14 parishes. And they on the head top. Actually, we can't see enough people pass. We don't want to hear people talk like say the little girl forget what she get because you're one of them color of man and guy. End of the day, that's a 14-year-old. Them youth need some guidance, guy. Because you know who guide them? Dopey bot, agents of death and destruction. Enough of these youths are being raised by the culture. And the culture tell young Jamaican girls, say being a quote-unquote good girl is lame. The culture tell Jamaican girls, say bad man the thing there. Badness the thing there. Girl them no want a nerd. That's what the youth them grew up and I hear them ears 24/7. And when Jamaican youths grow to become what Uno glorify and endorse every day, then all of a sudden you want to play Captain Morals and Values. Can't work, guy. Can't work. I only tell the girl them say I saw it for be. I saw it for go. This is the cool way. That is the lame way. So the youth them follow what Uno say and then now no one shun them. Guy, that's a 14-year-old girl. If she was alive, we could have scolded her all day, all night. But she's not alive, guy. And whatever no one say she do, pales in comparison to what was done to her. We're not having it, guy. We're not having it. The dopey bot them who not just do it but aided and abetted. Right. The savage. No found lucky. So I'm just a lucky YouTuber. Because someone will have to pay the ultimate price, guy. For some of these acts. The ultimate price. Can I still make liar man telling things naive about yeah man, the speed guilty and then you get on look reduced sentence. That couldn't help if it was up to me, guy, but I'm just a lucky YouTuber. They will not risk a finger to protect a girl, but they will stand in front of a rifle to protect a gunman. Them find every reason for making know so well. I want think there, man. She did a so go, man, because you know, so one time she goes so boom. These youths are being raised by a highly acidic culture. They're growing up to be and do exactly what we endorse and love. Let me tell you about the culture, guy. In a certain places in the Irie, man, young girls like Price Johnson, if they not start have a 1 or 2 youth by a certain age, people start laugh off of them. Let me tell you that in a Winnipeg. In a certain environments in the Irie, man, if a youth reach a certain age and they get a 1 youth, even if that 1 youth come suffer, it no matter. When not a youth. When you breed 110 gal. That's the culture, guy. No one come tell me about Yeah, but look at you, man. They have man. I wouldn't say the girl enough for there with a nerd. Nerd lame. Nerd never get one charge. Find the courage, guy. Don't tell me nothing on my ears but you're afraid. Find the courage you'll find when I will see you stand up in front of the rifle of the state. Guy, remember say the JDF or the JCF. In a numbers, in a everywhere, bigger than any of your favorite gang in the Irie, man. That is state level badness. And when they can stand up to the security forces, when they can stand up to the state. Remember, according to phony narrative, the monster that kill and torture and maim and hate and want to destroy, especially poor people the most, is the security forces. Right? Police. JDF. So if you can stand up to the ultimate monster, which is the JCF, or you can't stand up to a little monster, which is Klansman or one other, or Ratbat, or 5150. Nobody can answer this according to your narrative. The biggest threat, the monster that exists solely to wipe out people, is the JCF. The ultimate monster. So let's go with your narrative. I am agreeing with you. Are the ultimate monster, that state level monster, beast of all beasts. So you can find the courage to stand up to the beast of all beasts. You can stand up to Godzilla. But then Klansman and one other and Ratbat who say I do some youths on the corner and want to them put on one street. The little mouse, cause them look like according to your narrative, right? Police are Godzilla. And Ratbat and one other them gang there are like some little mouse. So you can stand up to Godzilla, face to face, toe to toe, blow for blow. But now when you must stand up to Klansman or one other in defense of a little girl or one little boy, all of a sudden, you're afraid? Move from there, Irie Saxon. We don't believe you. You need more people. We don't believe you, guy. How do you find the courage to stand up to the state level badness? But the little small gang will run us put on be a street and they're not even that wicked. They're not wicked like the police then, but you can't stand up to them. You can't show me no video footage. When police are walk through Taspen, every camera come out. When they kill them and walk through Spanish Town, every phone battery dead. You can't explain this to me all now. You can't it's not adding up, guy. But look at you, I'm afraid. Afraid of what? One mouse? Remember when say I want to look at mouse? Remember I said the police is actually, according to your narrative, the police is the ultimate monster. So we know you have no problem standing up to the police when they go for sci-fi. Or any youth for that matter. So we say, alright, we respect your courage. When we say Tasman run out and I go on certain way, suck your mother police boy, and when we say Tasman I go on to defend the quote unquote innocent youths them who don't go for. We say, alright, we respect your courage. So now we say apply the same courage one time. Them I go for one youth or one girl to go kill them. Hey, but my Fraid suppose something got happened to me. Fraid, move from there, guy. Remember Jasmine Deen? Man, they got the protest card in Fraid. Irie Saxons, who we see turn up in front of JDF soldier ready for fight. Always ready for Black Road. Who not afraid of nothing? Forgot one look at protest. Suddenly they were afraid. Who don't forget about Jasmine Deen already? Remember they couldn't turn out because they're afraid. Afraid of what? These people are vile. Anyway, you don't find the courage to stand up in front of a constable, Tunkus, or someone to not find the courage to stand up and take it to the man them we attack the nation's most vulnerable. Not for honor try all youths to standards, you can't even hold themselves. Not for anyone youths to have discipline, you don't even have. You know one 14-year-old and 13-year-old to have levels of consciousness where even you not possess. It has to be studied. Find the courage, guy. Nobody else can link me and tell me about them Fraid. No guy from Palm Grove Court no link me and tell me about no Fraid. Find the courage, guy. Find it, cause we know it in you. We do not block road. We do not bring the fight to the squad of them, and so you have to go bring it to the gang there. We don't want you to be no Fraid, guy. The same way your phone work when time police are pass through, I saw your phone need to charge up, I work and have all data upon it. When Roger them a pass through and a slaughter like a butcher was. Sick of these Irish Saxons. End of the day, that's a 14-year-old girl, guy. Somebody think them want to expect her to do and say, only now do them, or now quote unquote big people. I only tell the Jamaican girl say, I just say thing there. Oh no! No, I say, yeah, but then you should have known, so I just want to look at vibes and look, it man says I look at fun and look at, man say entertainment, then you shouldn't really take it. This man say, dog, no, we don't see what you're saying, guy. We don't. Because you know, you endorse the culture. That make enough of them youth go down certain road. Thinking that they're cool. And what them a do or something. Right, them fear do. And then when time them do it, when they turn in the back on them and skin up on the nose. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. KIA, you don't know. More life. Ultra squad, stay circle. Bless.